Hello everyone, I am Asma and I am going to speak in favor of the topic. The continuous lockdown in India has dealt irreparable damage to both the students and the entire education system. I would like to initiate my debate with the famous quotation of George Washington, who stated that education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. But what if this key is snatched from you? Well, I am talking about education, which also has been locked down during the continuous lockdown going in India. As we all know that our schools, colleges, universities has been closed from the mid of March 2020 and it is still closed. The decision of government of lockdown has causes irreparable damage which cannot be compensated in any way to the students and to the entire education system. The first and the foremost decision of the government is that the classes should be taken in online. But what about those students who don't have any resources to take online classes? They don't have any laptop, they don't have any Android phones, they don't have any internet good connection, who live in remote areas. So it is discriminatory between those students who have those resources and who don't have any resources. This is a clear violation of Article 14 of Constitution of India. We can say that it discriminates between the students who has given equal right of education. Secondly, the government has permitted all the students without conducting any exam to their next level classes. Is it fair for those students who work hard for their studies, and is it fair for those students who have prepared for their government exams and they suddenly came to know that their exam is postponed and they become depressive? So these all are question marks, which again question mark who will give answer all these questions. In the end, I would like to say the government should take on harsh regulations for the benefit of those students who have deprived from their education during this continuous lockdown. The government should make a regulation for conducting extra classes for those students and promote education so that their compensation, their education can be compensation, their time can be compensated. Thank you.